Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make Korean hot dogs. So let's start. Let's start with our batter. So we need 1 and 1/3 cups of lukewarm water, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Let it sit for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. So we need another bowl. I have 2 and 3/4 cups of bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we are going to add our yeast mixture in. Just mix everything. Our dough is ready. Cover with saran wrap and let it rise for 2 hours. So it's been 2 hours. So we need hot dogs. I have cut them in half and I'm placing wooden skewers in them. And here I have 2 cups of breadcrumbs. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. Just mix and set it aside. I have a baking tray here. Wrap the dough around the hot dog like so. Coat it in our breadcrumbs and continue this process. And let's fry these. Our oil is ready for frying. Our heat is on medium-high. Carefully place each hot dog in the oil and fry until golden brown. Add your choice of sauce. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe and enjoy.